Hello and welcome to Colleague 7 Sprint Plan for 19.05.02. This will cover the work undertaken between the 14th of May to the 27th of May. Our sprint goal for this sprint will be to deliver the next phase in the back office project by enabling the addition of timesheets within Colleague 7. Looking at the high-level items and to explain further, in this sprint we're planning to introduce the option of recording timesheets against a contract placement. This is the next phase in an ongoing work to implement back office functionality into Colleague 7 and will be followed with the introduction of charges workflow for expenses against both timesheet and placement before we move on to invoice generation. We'll be adding the option to view other users' diaries. This will include user group permissions, which will restrict access to just be within your allocated team or teams, as well as an option to view all diaries. Further to inquiries regarding Colleague 7's integration options with a telephony solution, we'll be reviewing the Cloud Call API, the outcome of which will hopefully be a set of dev items which will be scheduled over the coming months. Further to the spell check investigation, we'll be reviewing an alternative text editor, which will give us more options in terms of pasting and spell checking. Development on this will likely follow soon after. Following issues experienced with GDPR notification checks, we'll be making some updates to our background service with a view to resolving these issues and improving performance. We'll be adding a diary start day option to global and user settings, which will dictate how the diary appears in terms of the beginning day of the week or month. We'll be making an update to the default experience job type as a setting rather than hard-coded contract. And we'll be making the default option for unit of measure in the rates area a global and user setting as well. As always, if you have any queries or feedback, please get in touch. I'll be keen to hear from you. Also, for those using Colleague 7, feel free to submit your enhancement requests via the support team or directly to me using the above email address. The next video will be the sprint review based on this development sprint. And as part of that, I'll include some quick demonstrations on the new functionality that's been added. Thanks for watching.